Good morning, friends. How are you all? Yes? Good. Now, last time we have seen some example of maxima minima. Now we'll go ahead with some more example to find the maximum and minimum values by using the derivative, that is the first derivative and second derivative test, right? Okay, so we have done this example 39 last time. Now today we'll go ahead with example 40, that is find absolute maximum and minimum values of function fx is equal to 12 x raised to 4 by 3 minus 6 x raised to 1 by 3. X belongs to minus 1, 1. Here, I have already even told you that whenever you want to find the maximum and minimum value, then the close interval should be there. So, close interval होना चाहिए. Therefore, now first of all, we'll find f dash x. Here it is 12 4 by 3 x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1 is 1 by 3. 6 1 by 3 x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 16 x raised to 1 by 3 minus 2 x raised to minus 2 by 3. Now we will write if f dash x is equal to 0. Then 16x raised to 1 by 3 minus 2x raised to minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So that here it is, ये term इस तरफ ले जाओ, 16x raised to 1 by 3, 2x raised to minus 2 by 3. So 2 8s are 16. So 8x raised to 1 by 3, 1 upon x raised to 2 by 3. ये इस तरफ आके multiplication में चला जाएगा. 8x raised to 1 by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3, 1. So what is it? X raised to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 3 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 8. So you will get x is equal to 1 by 8. X raised to 3 by 3 is 1. So x की वैल्यू हमें मिल गई 1 by 8. One more thing is that कि ये जो सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म है ऐसा होगा x रेस टू 1 by 3 माइनस 2 अपॉन x रेस टू 2 by 3. सो इसका मतलब हुआ कि डिनोमिनेटर में x है और जब डिनोमिनेटर में x होता है तो x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. x बिलोंग्स टू -1 to 1 है तो उसमें 0 आ गया. हमारे इंटरवल में 0 है जिसपे ये फंक्शन डिफाइन नहीं है क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में x है. So also this critical point x equal to 0 भी लेना पड़ेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि at x is equal to 0 this function is not defined, तो वो भी हमारा critical point हो गया, right? Point of inflection हो गया. Therefore x equal to 0 भी ले लेंगे. Okay? Now x double dash x is equal to, यहां से अगर फाइंड करें तो 16 और उसकी जरूरत भी नहीं है. यू नो दैट कि जब एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, अच्छा कर देते हैं चलो, 16 by 3 x raised to minus 2 by 3 minus minus plus 4 by 3 x raised to this minus 1 minus 5 by 3. Now we will write f double dash. पहले लिखेंगे 0 तो वो 0 हो जाएगा, राइट? और अगर ओके, सो हियर एट x इज इक्वल टू 0 हमने लिया है, सो विल नॉट फाइंड f डबल डैश 0. उसको 0 f डबल डैश 0 फाइंड करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. व्हाई? यू नो दैट बिकॉज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू जब फाइंड करनी है तो हम डायरेक्ट भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं विदाउट डबल डेरिवेटिव. कैसे? जब f ऑफ 0 फाइंड करेंगे, f ऑफ 1 by 8, f ऑफ -1 एंड f ऑफ 1, राइट? f ऑफ 0 इज 0. f of 1 by 8 is 12, 1/8 raised to 4/3, 6, 1/8 raised to 1/3. That is equal to, ये हो जाएगा 1/8 का, that is 1/2 and 2 raised to the 4, 1/16 minus 6/2. So it is, what is that answer is, we will get f of 1/8 is minus 9/4. You will do it yourself by the LCM. Then we will find f of minus 1. So if you write here minus 1, then you will get it is 18. And f of 1. If you write f of 1 here, then 12 minus 6, it is 6. Now, absolute minimum value is, ये चारों में से what is the absolute minimum? It is minus 9/4. And absolute maximum, ये चारों में से मैक्सिमम है 18. सो जब आपको मैक्सिम एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो आप डबल डेरिवेटिव न करो तो भी चलेगा. यू जस्ट फाइंड द फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव, उसके ऊपर से क्रिटिकल पॉइंट और फिर एफ में रख के चारों वैल्यू फाइंड करो. जितनी क्रिटिकल है वो, जितना ये इंटरवल में 2 दिया है वो. सो वो चारों में से एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम लिख दे सकते हैं. डबल डेरिवेटिव नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा. पर जब ऐसा दिया है कि एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम मिनिमम एंड लोकल मैक्सिमम मिनिमम, तो लोकल मैक्सिमम मिनिमम के लिए डबल डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम है तो डबल डेरिवेटिव नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा. यू जस्ट फाइंड द क्रिटिकल पॉइंट एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू इन पुटिंग एफ. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? यस. So this is example 40. This is example 40. Then we'll move ahead. Okay, example 41 बाद में करेंगे. जैसे भी प्रॉब्लम सम्स है वो सब हम लास्ट में करते हैं. पहले फाइंड द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Now we'll start example 6.5. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आप जो प्रॉब्लम सम्स है वो हम लास्ट में करेंगे. फर्स्ट विल फाइंड द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन, उसी की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. नाउ whenever the interval is not given, so by the second derivative test we'll do it. But when the interval is given and whenever you want to find the absolute maximum minimum, तब हम for second derivative find नहीं करेंगे. Right? Now here is the question number 1. Find the maximum and minimum value of the following function given by first. Fx equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Now fx is equal to this. So first of all हम क्या करेंगे? You can do it by the two ways. You can simplify the whole square and then do it, right? Otherwise direct derivative, both the way it is correct. Now if you find f dash x, तो पावर आगे 2. ओके, हम क्या करते हैं, पहले उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. तो it becomes fx is equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 3. Okay, now this is f dash x is 8x minus 4. So you can take 4 common, x minus 2x minus 1. So now you will get the value of x. So if f dash x 0, so you can say 2x minus 1 0. So we'll get the value x is equal to 1/2. Now we'll find the double derivative, that is f double dash x from here. f dash x is given, so f double dash x तो क्या आ गया? Only 8. If f double dash x is 8, now you will find f double dash 1/2. तो f double dash, that is second derivative 8 है, so it is always constant. यार आप x की कोई भी वैल्यू लिख लो, इट बिकम्स 8 ओनली, which is a constant function which is greater than 0. So that x is equal to 1 by 2 is point of minima. That means wherever double derivative greater than 0 is the point of minima. And जब वो point of minima है तो आपको maximum minimum value find करनी है, तो f of 1 by 2 find करेंगे. यहाँ पे आप x की वैल्यू 1 by 2 रख दीजिए. So 2, 1 minus 1 0 and it is equal to 3. So what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 3. Okay. Minimum value. Right? Then question number 2. Here fx is equal to second 9x square plus 12x plus 2. So now will you find this fx is equal to, तो f dash x क्या होगा? That is f dash x is 18x plus 12. 6 common. 3x plus 2. If f dash x is 0, then 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now if x is equal to minus 2 by 3, then f double dash x find karo. F dash x is here, so f double dash x you will get 18 only. Same thing is here occurring now. Yes, f double dash x क्या मिल गया? 18. So now you will write f double dash minus 2 by 3 is again 18 which is greater than 0. और अगर वो greater than 0 है तो x is equal to minus 2 by 3 is the point of minima. Point, you can say local minima, right? Because absolute के लिए तो different हम कर रहे हैं. So f is minus 2 by 3 if you write in that. So now minimum value f of minus 2 by 3 is equal to, we will get 9 minus 2 by 3 square minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So here it is 9 4 by 9 plus minus minus 3 4s are 12 8 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 minus 8 minus 2 is the minimum value. Okay, right? So now the third question of the question number 1. So do it with me rapidly. Minus of x minus 1 whole square plus 10, right? So here again what we will do, here first of all we'll find f dash x. 2 आगे raised to the power 1 into derivative of bracket is 1. So minus 2x plus 2 plus 10. So 12 minus 2x. 2 common. It is 6 minus x. If you take f dash x 0, so 2 6 minus x equal to 0. So you will get the value x equal to 6. Now this f dash x, here x is equal to 6, you will get the value. Okay, that is again the mistake. Here is a derivative, but 10 की derivative तो 0 हो जाएगी. So don't write this. It's like this, right? Yes, and then f dash x equal to 0. Don't do hurry. So it is what? Minus 2x plus 2 0. So we can say x is equal to 1. Yes? Okay. Now if you get x equal to 1, now f double dash x. f double dash x क्या होगा? यहाँ से करो. Yes? It is minus 2. Then if you write the point, then also it is minus 2 which is less than 0. So therefore x equal to 1 is point of maxima. क्योंकि ये always less than 0 ही रहेगा. तो point of maxima. Then maximum value is f of 1. What is it? 0 plus 10 is the 10. So maximum value क्या मिल जाएगी? 10. Right? Okay. Now the fourth one of this question is g of x equal to x cube plus 1. g of x equal to x cube plus 1. Find the first derivative 3x square. 1 की डेरिवेटिव तो 0 हो जाएगी. So it is 3x square. Now g dash x equal to 0 किया तो you will get x equal to 0. Yes or no? If this is x is equal to 0, अगर x equal to 0 मिला है, then g double dash x क्या होगा? From here it is 6x. Yes? Whenever x equal to 0 रखोगे, second derivative तो क्या हो जाएगी? 0 हो जाएगी. g double dash 0 0 हो जाएगी. Then so g double dash 0 is 0. जब g double dash 0 0 हो जाता है तब वो not greater than not less than है, और जब neither greater than और not less than होता है तो वो क्या हो जाता है? Point of inflection. So therefore x equal to 0 is point of inflation है. You understand that? Yes. So this is the end of this question number 1 of exercise 6.5. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 2. It is find the maximum minimum value if any following of given by fx is equal to. This is question number 2 where इसका जो फर्स्ट है fx equal to mod of x plus 2 minus 1. Now in this question number 2, mod of x plus 2 minus 1. तो mod of x plus 2 is always greater than 0. We know that. Greater than or equal to 0 ही होगा. जब मॉड्यूलस है तो वो ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 है. बट अवर फंक्शन इज -1 on both the sides. So we take therefore x plus 2 minus 1 greater than 0 minus 1. So x plus 2 minus 1 is greater than -1. ऐसा आ जाएगा. Yes or no? And this is what? Our fx greater than or equal to -1 for all x belongs to R. ऐसा आ गया आपके लिए. अगर x greater than or equal to -1 है तो इसकी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू की वजह से मिनिमम वैल्यू हो जाएगी -1 और मैक्सिमम तो और x belongs to this infinite है. So maximum is not defined. You understand that? So we can say that minimum value of fx is -1 and maximum value is not defined. Understand? Yes? Okay. Then the second one is g of x is equal to. Now we'll do second. Minus of x plus 1 plus 3. Now you tell me minus of x plus 1 अगर हम लेते हैं, ये ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव है पर आगे माइनस होने की वजह से क्या हो जाएगा? इज ऑलवेज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 0. देन माइनस ऑफ x प्लस 1 plus 3 is always less than or equal to 0 plus 3. Add plus 3 on both the sides. Then what we will write? Here is the minus x plus 1 plus 3 is fx less than or equal to 3 for all x belongs to R. Now fx less than or equal to 3 है मतलब 3 और उससे लेस. तो that means 3 क्या हो गई? उसकी maximum value of fx is 3 but minimum value less than or equal to है that is infinite on the left side and therefore minimum value is not defined. Understood? Yes. Then the third one of this question is hx is equal to sine of 2x plus 5. Now sine of 2x plus 5, so what is the range of the sine is, that is minus 1, 1. So we can say that minus 1 less than or equal to sine 2x less than or equal to 1. Right or not? This is the range of the sine. And therefore, you want plus 5. So here plus 5 sine 2x plus 5, 1 plus 5. Therefore, minus 4. This is fx. This is 6. What can you say about the maximum and minimum value? So you can say that maximum value is 6, minimum value is 4. So we can write maximum value of fx is 6, minimum value of fx is minus 4. Understood? Then the next is fx is mod of sine 4x plus 3. Now you know that again simple. Minus 1 less than or equal to sine 4x. Plus 3 चाहिए. So 2. Okay? Yes? Then we'll take mod on both the side. If modulus of 2 is 2. Mod of sine 4x plus 3. Modulus of 4 is 4. So we can say that 2 less than or equal to fx less than 4. So the maximum value is 4. And minimum value is 2. You know that how to do it, right? So maximum and minimum value we'll get. And the last of this question, 5th, that is hx is equal to x plus 1, x belongs to minus 1, 1. ये ओपन इंटरवल है, नॉट द क्लोज इंटरवल, दैट यू कीप इन माइंड. जब ओपन इंटरवल होता है तब एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू नहीं आती है. क्लोज इंटरवल है, देन ओनली वी कैन फाइंड द एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, दैट यू विल कीप इन माइंड. नाउ हियर h डैश x अगर आपने फाइंड किया तो वो 1 हो जाएगा. 1 की नियरेस्ट, दैट मीन्स h डबल डैश x तो 0 हो जाएगा. h डैश x इज 1 है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? फॉर द फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट में क्या होगा? अगर आप लेफ्ट से 1 की वैल्यू लेंगे या राइट से लेंगे, इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर देन 0. इट इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ही है, मतलब कि नो मैक्सिमम नो मिनिमम वैल्यू. So we can write by the first derivative test only no maximum or minimum value is possible. यहाँ पे कोई मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मिनिमम वैल्यू हम फाइंड नहीं कर सकते. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? fx इज इक्वल टू x, जैसे हमने किया था, fx is equal to x plus 1, fx equal to x plus 2. That's no maximum minimum value we can find over here, क्योंकि कोई भी कंडीशन नहीं दी है. Okay, then this is the end of the question number 2. Question number 3 is find the local maximum minima. If any of the following function, find also the local maximum minimum values in any case. Make point, find the local maxima and minima. Maxima minima matlab the point of maxima minima, that is x. And maximum minimum value also you have to find. So that question number 3, first, fx is equal to x square. If fx is equal to x square, you will first find 2x. कुछ भी हो, आपको सबसे पहले फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव लेनी है, उसका इक्वल टू 0 करके x फाइंड करना है, देन डबल डेरिवेटिव, वो तो करना ही है, दैट यू कीप इन माइंड. सो f dash x is equal to 2x. If you take f dash x 0, implies x equal to 0 मिल जाएगा. From here you will take x is equal to 0 मिल गया. Now you will find f double dash x. तो f double dash x यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? 2. Now you will put it here. एफ डबल डैश 0 भी क्या होगा, ये तो कांस्टेंट फंक्शन है जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में किया, सो इट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0। एंड जब ये एफ डबल डेरिवेटिव इज ग्रेटर देन 0, व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट इज द yes minimum value, yes, so x equal to 0 is point of minimum, then minimum value x equal to 0 is 0, तो हमारी मिनिमम वैल्यू हो जाएगी 0, दैट इज लोकल मिनिमम वैल्यू एंड पॉइंट ऑफ मिनिमा है ये x equal to 0। then the question number 2 of this is x cube minus 3x. g of x is x cube minus 3x. तो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगी 3x square minus 3. You will take it common like this. If you take g dash x is equal to 0, तो x square minus 1 equal to 0 implies x equal to plus or minus 1. So now here you will get the two values of x. It is plus 1 and minus 1. Now what? If x is equal to 1, you will take. Now, second derivative. From here, 6x only. Now, g double dash minus 1. पहले minus 1 लिया. तो minus 6 less than 0. X minus 1 is point of maxima. And you will say local maximum value f of minus 1, तो it is g, तो g of minus 1, यहाँ minus 1 लिखेंगे, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, while g double dash of 1 that is 6 which is greater than 0, x equal to 1 is the point of minima, that is local minimum, and local minimum value is g of 1. If you write 1 here, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. You understand this method? क्या करना है? g dash x से point find करना है, g double dash x में रखना है. अगर g double dash x greater than 0, तो local minimum, less than 0, local maximum. वो point है, वहां से फाइंड करने के लिए यहाँ पॉइंट रखो gx में. You understood that? So do it when we go ahead with the next sum. Then third is hx is equal to sin x plus cos x 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Now the third sum है fx is hx is equal to sin x plus cos x. तो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव हम फाइंड करेंगे, sin x की डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगी cos x minus sin x. If you take h dash x equal to 0, cos x minus sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to क्या हो गया? sin x. अब x की वैल्यू आपको फाइंड करनी है, तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x बिटवीन 0 to पाई बाई 2 एंड sin x इज इक्वल टू cos x होना चाहिए. सो अगर आपको फाइंड नहीं करना आएगा तो यू कैन डू लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, कि आप ये करेंगे sin x अपॉन cos x इक्वल टू 1. सो tan x 1 है तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? इन 0 to पाई बाई 2 लेना है, therefore x इक्वल टू pi by 4. You will get this value. Now you will find h double dash x minus sin x minus cos x. Pi by 4. So minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. Minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2 is minus root 2 which is less than 0. जब वो less than 0 होता है तो local maxima होता है. So that x equal to pi by 4 is point of local maxima. And maximum value is f of pi by 4 here sin pi by 4 cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 it is 2 by root 2 is root. Is here? Yes. Then the next, that is fourth, sin x minus cos x. Where the condition is 0 less than x less than 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi, the whole unit circle is given. Okay. Now if you find f dash x, cos x plus sin x. If you take f dash x equal to 0, cos x plus sin x equal to 0, then cos x is equal to minus sin x. So you can say that it is minus 1. So tan x is minus 1. Ab tan is negative in the second and fourth quadrant. Now second and fourth quadrant में x की value क्या लेंगे? It is 3 pi by 4 in the second quadrant and 7 pi by 4 in the fourth quadrant, right? First में pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. So in the second and fourth quadrant में tan negative होगा. So we'll take 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. You will get 2 points. Now we'll find the h double dash x, that is double derivative of f. यहाँ से तो it is minus sin x plus cos x. f double dash first value है 3 pi by 4. So we will write minus sin 3 pi by 4. Okay. Pi minus pi by 4 in the second quadrant. So that is, इसकी value 1 by root 2 in the second quadrant, it is positive. But ये negative होगा फिर से 1 by root 2. Minus 2 by root 2 is minus root 2 less than 0. So x is equal to 3 pi by 4 is point of local maxima. अगर वो point of local maxima है तो maximum value f of 3 pi by 4 here sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. ये minus 1 by root 2 minus minus plus 2 by root 2 is root 2 only, right? Okay. Then the next is x is equal to 7 pi by 4. So if you write minus sin plus cos, so it is minus. Minus matlab it becomes positive. Right? Minus minus plus हो जाएगा. In the fourth quadrant sign negative. So minus minus plus. Cos is already positive. So 1 by root 2. So you will get it is greater than 0. So x is equal to 7 pi by 4 is point of minima. So the minimum value is, minimum value क्या होगी? What is the minimum value? That is f of 7 pi by 4. f of 7 pi by 4 is sin 7 pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 4. It is minus root 2. Find out minus root 2 ही आएगा. So do it yourself. आप अपने आप कीजिए, वो minus root 2 ही आएगा. That is sin is negative, so minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, minus 2 by root 2, it gives minus root 2. Right? So by this way we can find the local maximum minimum value by the points. Then this is, we have done the fourth one. Okay. Now the fifth sum is there. Fx is equal to cube, 6x square, 9x, 15. Now it is easier. You will do it yourself. आप अपने आप करेंगे. Right? Will not do this. हम नहीं करेंगे. Then sixth one. G of x x by 2 and 2 by x. Okay. So now it is x by 2 and 2 by x. So first of all, if we find g dash x. So 1 by 2 constant and derivative of x is 1. So it is 1 by 2. Minus 2 constant. 1 upon x की derivative 2 by x square. Right? Now if you take g dash x equal to 0. Then 1 by 2. So 2 by x square is 1 by 2. So x square is 4. We'll get x is equal to plus or minus 2. Here you cross multiply and you will get the two values of x. That is x is equal to plus or minus 2. But in the condition is given x greater than 0. ये क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. That means negative values हम नहीं लेंगे. So therefore x greater than 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2, only one value is there. Now, g double dash x. तो ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. Here it is what? Minus 2x raised to minus 2 है. तो minus आगे. That is 4x raised to minus 3. ये हमारा आ जाएगा g double dash x. That is minus 2, ये ऊपर जाएगा, minus 2 x raised to minus 2 minus 1, that is x raised to minus 3. Okay, now we will find g double dash 2. So 4, 2 raised to minus 3, 4 by 8 is 1 by 2 greater than 0 and 1 by 2 greater than 0 is point of minimum. So, local minimum value of gx is g of 2. x equal to 2 जो लिया था वहां पे g double dash 2 greater than 0 है. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the point of local minima and the minimum value of g is यहाँ पे आप रखेंगे 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. Understood? That is question number 6. Now g of x is equal to 1 upon x square plus 2. G of x is equal to 1 upon x square plus 2. So that here you will find first derivative. So we can say that it is x square plus 2 raised to minus 1. ऐसा हम बोल सकते हैं? Yes. तो minus 1 x square plus 2 raised to minus 2 into 2x by the chain rule. So that yes or no? Okay. Now if we take g dash x equal to 0, then what can you say about its value? Value क्या होगी? Yes, that is x equal to 0. एक value मिल गई. Now you will find the second derivative. Okay. So g double dash x. यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिविजन रूल अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. That is denominator कांस्टेंट, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, ये माइनस को हम ब्रैकेट से बाहर ले लेते हैं. इट इज 2 माइनस न्यूमरेटर कांस्टेंट, डेरिवेटिव इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 2x अपॉन x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर, दैट इज रेज़ टू द पावर 4 माइनस हियर g डबल डैश x ऐसे ही रहने दो, नो नीड टू सिंप्लीफाई, विल जस्ट राइट x इक्वल टू 0. तो x इक्वल टू 0 करने पर व्हाट वी विल गेट इन g डबल डैश 0. विल राइट डायरेक्ट वैल्यू. तो ये 0 रखेंगे, 0 प्लस 2 स्क्वायर, इट इज 4 2 जा 8 माइनस ये टर्म हो जाएगी 0 अपॉन ये है 2 रेज टू द पावर 4. 2 रेज टू द पावर 4 इज 16. So minus 1 by 2 is less than 0. अगर g double dash 0 is less than 0, then x is equal to 0 is point of local maxima and is g of 0. तो यहां क्या होगा 0 प्लस 2 दैट इज 1 by 2. उसका g डबल डैश में इतना लंबा जो हो रहा है उसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने की हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं है. फाइन, बिकॉज अगर ये सिंप्लीफाई करने जाएंगे फिर भी अल्टीमेटली तो आंसर मिल ही जाएगा. तो हम डायरेक्ट वैल्यू 0 रख देते हैं. सो नो नीड टू सिंप्लीफाई एनीथिंग, राइट? ओके, सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज fx is equal to x under root 1 minus x, x greater than 0. Here fx is equal to x under root x minus 1. Now what? We will use the chain rule or the product rule. So f dash x equal to x constant, derivative is here into minus 1, इसकी derivative minus 1 plus 1 minus x constant, derivative of x is 1. So that is minus x upon, like this. This is our first derivative. Now in this first derivative we also simplified, that is minus x plus, ये इधर multiply होगा 2 1 minus x, 2 minus 2x minus x 3x upon 2 1 minus x. If we take f dash x equal to 0, 2 minus 3x 0, ये तो इस तरफ जाके 0 ही हो जाएगा, so we'll not take it, right? Then x is equal to 2 by 3. We'll get 1 point, x equal to 2 by 3. Then from here we will find f double dash x. So the numerator constant, हम 1 by 2 को आगे ले लेते हैं, will not take it because it is constant. Then derivative, numerator 1 minus x constant, derivative of this numerator is minus 3 minus numerator constant, then derivative of denominator 1 upon 2 root into minus 1 upon 1 minus x, the whole square, the square and square root will be removed. That is, we have to now simplify here because it is not 0 now. So minus 3 under root 1 minus x minus 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 plus 2 minus 3x upon 2 under root 1 minus x, again 1 minus x, is equal to, here it is 2 3s are 6, 1 minus x, 2 minus 3x upon 2 नीचे आएगा 1 minus x raised to 2 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3 or 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now is equal to 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 6x plus 2 minus 3x upon 2 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. ये 6x minus 3x is 3x minus 4, 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2. This is our double derivative. So double derivative में x is equal to 2 by 3 रखेंगे. So f double dash 2 by 3, that is 1/2, 3 into 2/3 minus 4, 2, 1 minus 2/3 raised to 3/2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1/3. 1/3 that is ये 2 मैंने यहाँ ले लिया, it is 4. 1/3 raised to 3/2. So 3 का स्क्वायर रूट होगा √3. ये 2 2s are 4. So minus 1/2. 1/3 है तो 3 का √3 और √3 का क्यूब इज 1/3 √3. So you will get answer 1/6 √3 which is less than 0. Now आप कंप्लीट कीजिए. ये less than 0 है. That means what? That x is equal to 2/3 is the point of maxima. Now maximum value find करना है. So you will write here maximum value 2/3 into 1 minus 2/3. 3 minus 2, 1/3, it is 1/√3. So the maximum value is 2/3√3. Okay, the maximum value क्या मिल जाएगी? 2/3√3. और if it is a irrational denominator, so you can also rationalize it by multiply √3. 2√3 upon 9. You can write also like this. Rationalize the denominator. So you will get this value. यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ simplification and the derivative is longer. Nothing else. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ना आए. You have to make sure that कि आपकी derivative perfect होनी चाहिए. Otherwise you are not able to do this sum. Okay. Now the question number 4. We'll move ahead. On the question number 4 is question number 4. Prove that the following function do not have maxima or minima. So now the function is given e raised to x. Therefore, if you find f dash x, then it is again e raised to x. Now f dash x equal to 0 है तो ऐसी कोई भी वैल्यू ही नहीं मिलेगी जिसकी वजह से ये 0 हो जाए. That exponent function is never 0. It is always greater than 0. वो कभी 0 होगा ही नहीं, right? And therefore we can say that f is strictly increasing function. अगर वो strictly increasing function है, then अगर वो 0 होगा ही नहीं तो point of maxima and point of minima कैसे मिलेगा? And therefore f do not have any maximum or minimum value. Maxima minima is not possible. Same way second दिया है fx is equal to log x. In the question number 4, the second is gx is equal to. Okay, so if you find g dash x, here it is the log x and log is defined only on the positive values. So domain of f is r plus. Yes, domain of is r plus. And जब वो r plus होता है, now g dash x is 1/x. और r plus के लिए 0 में भी वो डिफाइंड नहीं है, तो r plus के लिए this is always greater than 0. So therefore again ये पॉजिटिव ही है. If always greater than 0 है, then we can say that again g is strictly increasing function. So no point of maxima or minima is possible, right? So ये दोनों फंक्शन तो आपको याद ही रखने हैं कि ये फंक्शन कभी भी 0 होंगे ही नहीं, तो उसका पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा मिनिमा फाइंड कर ही नहीं सकते. You understand that? Okay. And the third one which is given in that question number 4 is here fx is equal to, that is hx is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So when you find h dash x, 3x square plus 2x plus plus 1. Now if I take it common 3, x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. Now if I want to make it a perfect square, then what is the last term? Last term is equal to middle term square upon 4 into first term. That is 1x square. X cut, 2 2s are 4 cut, so it is 1 by 9. So I will write here 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. जो है मैंने perfect square कैसे बनाना है that we have seen a lots of time. Last term find किया, last term plus किया, minus किया, whatever I need and जो था वो लिख दिया. That you know how to set the terms. Okay, now 3. This is perfect square x plus 1 upon 3 the whole square. Here it is LCM is 9. So minus 3 plus 6. Oh no, 3 minus 1 plus 3. It is minus 2 by 3 and 9. So minus 1 plus 2. It is plus 2 by 9. Minus 1 plus 2 by 9. So it is what? Like this. ये इसका LCM ये होगा 2 by 9 plus 3 plus 2. Right? Okay. Now, if this is x plus 1 by 3 is always greater than 0 है, तो ये पॉजिटिव ये भी पॉजिटिव, which is always greater than 0, क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर है. प्लस करेंगे वो पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. इट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0, और ये ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 0, देन h इज स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. जब वो स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन है, व्हाट डज इट मीन? नो पॉइंट ऑफ लोकल मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा. लोकल मैक्सिमा मिनिमा कब मिलता है? जब एच डैश एक्स एक पॉइंट पे ग्रेटर है और दूसरे पॉइंट पे लेस है, तब बाय द फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट. फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट के हिसाब से लेफ्ट में जाने से ग्रेटर देन 0 और राइट में जाने से लेस देन 0 होना चाहिए. तो लोकल मैक्सिमा लेफ्ट में जाने से लेस देन 0, राइट से जाने से ग्रेटर देन 0, ऐसा चेंज होना चाहिए. तब आप लोकल मैक्सिमा मिनिमा फाइंड कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज नॉट. Therefore, these are all the function which is always greater than 0. कभी भी साइन चेंज नहीं करते. Therefore, do not have any maxima minima point. Understand that? Yes. So this is the end of the question number 4. So move ahead with the question number 5 in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Do it. Make a practice of it. Okay. Goodbye. We'll meet in the next lecture.